guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is all about how to style a single very boring skirt with the 5 different outfits. Actually, I bought this skirt a long back ago, almost 3 or 4 years back. And now I feel that it becomes so boring to just style it very simply. Now I think I need to restyle it and doing something really creative with this skirt. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you will be notified every time whenever I'm uploading any new video. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So, in the very first outfit, I wear a plain white anarkali suit which we all have easily in our wardrobe with this basic pink skirt. And for complementing the whole look, I made a bun and put gajra and wear this very beautiful kundan jewelry which gives such a royal look, and the whole outfit itself is very festive and easy to wear. And in case if you want to make this look more heavier, then you can also pair a silk Banarsi dupatta with the whole outfit, but today I keep the whole look simple and elegant. Now, the second look is all about pairing the same skirt with the embroidered blouse. You can also wear any other blouse of sari, lehenga, or you can also steal from your mother's wardrobe. And with contrast, I wore this very beautiful pink Banarsi dupatta again, which goes with n number of outfits and look very chic and elegant at the same time. The whole outfit gives the lehenga vibe itself, and I'm totally loving it. For the next outfit, I took the very basic black crop top. You can also wear spaghetti and pair it with some silver oxidized jewelry, as this is a very simple and the elegant look, so you can easily play with the accessories. This look is for those who like to keep it very simple. You can also pair this skirt with the white shirt with a tie and you are good to go. The whole look gives you a very chic and the young vibe. So, for the second last outfit, I took the sharara top, as the colors look great together, as it gives very bright and the vibrant vibe. The yellow and the bright pink add the festiveness to the outfit. This sharara top is very versatile, as it can wear as a sharara pants or with the palazzo pants or with the leggings, lehengas or with many more outfits. The whole look itself looks very beautiful and very festive at the same time. So at last, I have created this outfit by wearing the Jaipuri embroidered koti over the same crop top. You can also wear this with any other crop top or blouse. The work on this koti also really matches with the border of the skirt and looks really elegant and young. This look is really easy to achieve and best for the last moment outfit. At last, let me tell you guys that even though in the videos I have classified all these outfits according to the things that I have, you don't really have to stick to these outfits. You can yourself create your way of styling, as fashion is all about experimenting the different looks.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you are watching this video till this point, then I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is DikshaDikshit617 because I upload a lot of content there. So make sure you follow me there as well. Although I bought all of these clothes from a local store, but I'll try to find something very similar. And yeah guys, very happy Diwali to you and your family. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I love you all. Bye.